I've used both of HostGator and Namecheap, and in this video, I will share with you which one is the best option for you. Before we go into the details, I want to let you know that if you get one of these web hosting providers using my affiliate links from the description below, I will give you access to my online university for free, where you get access to multiple online courses, including one about your new web hosting provider. Without any further ado, let's get into the details. Installing WordPress in HostGator is simple. All you have to do is click on Settings, go to Advanced, and log into your cPanel by clicking on Manage. Click on WordPress Manager on the left. To start the process, click on Install. Make sure to always use HTTPS. Select your domain name. Enter your username, password, email, then click on Install. And there you have it, your WordPress is installed successfully. To disable this coming soon page, just log in to your WordPress site and under caching, click on Purge All. Now visit your website and it should be all functioning. With the presence of cPanel, installing WordPress on Namecheap becomes a breeze. Once inside cPanel, navigate to Software and click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Ensure that you use HTTPS to avoid security issues with web browsers. Verify your domain name if you have more than one. Give your blog a name and description. Then choose a username and a strong password and use an email address that you have access to. For language, I will leave it set to English. For plugins, I recommend unchecking all if you're unsure about what you need. And for the advanced options, select weekly for automated backups, then hit install. After a moment, your brand new WordPress site is ready to be customized as you want. Creating an email address on HostGator is straightforward. All you have to do is to log in to cPanel and under email, click on email accounts. Click on the blue button create, select your domain name, enter your username and a strong password. And for the optional settings, select unlimited for storage and click on create. To visit your inbox, click on check email. Wait for a moment and click on open. And that's it. This is your new email address inbox. Creating an email account on Namecheap is easy. Look for email inside cPanel and click on email accounts. Then click on create. Select your domain name, enter the username that you want to use, and a strong password. For the storage space, I prefer it to be unlimited. Also, I want to receive instructions on how to set up a mail client. When you finish, click on create. To see your inbox, click on check email next to your email account. There you have it, your new email account is ready to send and receive emails or connect with Gmail. After setting up my WordPress site on HostGator, I installed the Astra theme along with a template containing some content to mimic a real website. Surprisingly, the website loaded quite quickly during my browsing sessions. I used a tool called Pingdom to check how well the website was doing. It gave my site a B grade, which is like 90 out of 100. This was quite promising. Additionally, I ran the website through Google's PageSpeed Insights, which provided scores of 70 for mobile and 89 for computer. Compared to other web hosting providers, HostGator performed slightly slower than Hostinger, but about the same speed as Namecheap and Bluehost. And compared to DreamHost, it was faster. Based on my findings, I am overall satisfied with the performance of my WordPress site on HostGator. When I was preparing for this loading speed test, I mentally braced myself to encounter the same sluggishness I experienced when two of my sites were hosted on Namecheap between 2021 and 2022. To my surprise, I was mistaken. After installing the Astra team and one of their blog templates to mimic real life, the loading speed of different pages on my blog was surprisingly quick. I wondered if Namecheap's servers got better or if the plugins I was using were the problem. Seeking a second opinion, I checked the speed using tools like GTmetrix, PageSpeed Insights, and Pingdom. As you can see, the website received an A, indicating everything looks good. And according to GTmetrix, my homepage size was 1.31 megabytes and it fully loaded in just 1.5 seconds, which is impressive. However, PageSpeed Insights and Pingdom gave me lower grades. Overall, I'm satisfied with the speed. In comparison to other hosts, I found it definitely faster than DreamHost, on par with Bluehost if not better, and slightly slower than Hostinger. Unfortunately, automatic backups aren't included in my HostGator BB plan unless I pay for them. Even with the higher tier business plan, they're only free for the first year. However, I can still manually download full or partial backups and restore them from the cPanel. Compared to other shared hosting providers that offer easy automatic backups at a lower cost like Hostinger, HostGator's limitations on backups seem outdated. After considering HostGator's backup policy and my experience, I rate them a 3 out of 10. I like the system Namecheap uses to keep a copy of your files. It employs a cPanel plugin tool called Auto Backup that takes daily backups extending as far back as a year. Downloading a copy of your backup to your computer is simple. Just click on Get Full Backup As, select Zip, and then click on Get. Restoring can be done in a basic or advanced manner. The basic method overwrites the content with your chosen backed up content without losing any new content added since your chosen backup. The advanced option deletes all files and the account is recreated with the data from the backup. It is recommended if your website has been a victim of a malicious attack. Compared to other web hosting providers, I find this system more user-friendly to work with. Others either provide a user-friendly interface but charge extra for automated daily backups, or offer automated daily backups but with complicated management. Connecting to a support agent through HostGator's live chat was quick, earning them the second spot after Namecheap in terms of the time to connect. However, when I asked a simple question about tips to improve my WordPress site's loading speed, I had to wait for 10 minutes. It felt like they forgot about me. Even after the long wait, the answer I received wasn't satisfactory. Instead of providing useful tips, the agent only cleared the cache of my website on the server level, which wouldn't make a lasting difference. Compared to other hosting providers like Hostinger, DreamHost, or Namecheap, HostGator's live chat support falls short. It seems to be on par with Bluehost, possibly because they share the same parent company. Overall, my experience with HostGator's live chat support left me dissatisfied. The support team was very quick to connect through live chat. It felt as if they were waiting for me. Based on my experience with the live chat support, I found it to be responsive and knowledgeable. Compared to other competitors like Bluehost, HostGator, and DreamHost, in terms of the waiting time to connect, Namecheap live chat was the fastest one to connect. However, during the conversation, I found HostGator's team to be a little bit quicker to answer my questions. Overall, my experience with the live chat support was good enough to rate it with a thumbs up after finishing my conversation. The first thing I liked about the website builder that Namecheap provides is how easy it is to use and that it does not intimidate first-time users. This website builder has more than 200 templates in total across over 20 categories. To learn more about a template before working on it, you can easily preview it like so. If you like it and you want to work on it, click on Select. With the drag and drop ability, adding different elements like text, pictures, or buttons becomes easy. What I didn't like about this website builder is that it is slow to load, making editing and previewing a bit frustrating. Perhaps it's due to my slower internet, however, navigating my WordPress site on the same internet connection was not as slow. The second thing I didn't like was that the templates available for e-commerce are too basic. Don't get me wrong, it's just for the e-commerce templates. For the basic websites like personal pages or simple food business sites where you just want an online presence or to collect emails, the available templates should do the job. Lastly, I found that the loading speed of the websites made with these templates was acceptable, if not particularly fast.